Hi everyone. So today I'm going to explain about the SQL code and data setup and table creation and running the program using Python. Here are our teammates Chanakya, Surender, Varun, and Abhinav. So let's jump into the topic. First, we need to open the Jupyter notebook and we need to uh, select our file. And in background, we need to open PostgreSQL and create the database. In the name is database management, and we need to create the code. And if we should run the code in the Jupyter notebook. So the table will we need to create the table and we should run it. So the queries run successfully. So if we go PostgreSQL, back to the PostgreSQL. So here we can see the three tables are created: name, depot, product, and stock. So these tables are created to store different types of data, that is product, depot, and stock. In the product stores the information about products, including their ID, name, and price. And in depot holds information about depots, including their ID, address, and volume, etc. And coming to the stock table, tracks are the inventory of products in different depots. It stores product ID, depot ID, and quantity using the same data types as corresponding tables. So here these are the primary tables, and these primary tables are created in our PostgreSQL. We can see in the background. Once if you open the PostgreSQL, once you open the PostgreSQL, and we should type the query as select star from product. And if we run it, so here we can see our table created successfully. And the data types and constants and the insertion of data will be explained by our friend Chanakya.
This is a data we should insert into the tables. This is the data we get in the tables. The value should be the depot value should be greater than 0. Product value should be greater than 0 and the stock value should be greater than 0 or equal to 0. So in which we can find all this data. Now we should the task is to delete everything, delete the P1 from the given data. Now after running insert tables, it will when we type select star from the product, the which are the values included in the product will be shown like this. And we can also check which are also there in other tables like depot. These are from the depot, and these are the values we inserted into the stock. Now coming to the product, our ultimate goal is to remove P1 from this. So we can see the values in here, P1, P2, and P3. And our ultimate goal is to delete the P1 from here by running this code. And it has been run successfully. By running this code, it has be by running this code, P1 will be get deleted. This is our ultimate goal of this project. And coming to P1, when we run this again, you see P1 gets deleted. And the next will be continued by Surendra.
Hi, this is Surendra. There are the specific transaction. The code determines the transaction involving the product and depot updates. These transactions delete a product and depot respectively, and ensuring the data integrity by the temporarily or disabling, and then re-enabling the foreign key constant. The transactions are update the product and the depot ID are ensuring the corresponding to update in the stock table using a similar foreign key construct implementation. The next will continue Abhinav.
Hi, I'm Abhinav. The additional features of our project are save point, alter table, draw and drop constant. In the save point, each transaction uses a save point to mark a point with the transaction for potential rollback if it needed. In alter table and drop constants, these commands allows temporarily removal of constants for specific operations. In alter table and constants, this also shows that the commands add constants back after the data modified to maintain data integrity. These features provide additional control and flexibility when working with transactions and data manipulation. The further will be explained by my friend Varun.
Yeah, finally, I conclude that this code provides a comprehensive example of various SQL concepts, including data types, constraints, foreign keys, transactions, and data manipulation. By understanding these aspects, you can gain valuable knowledge and skills for managing and manipulating data with a relational database. I summarize that this code demonstrates various SQL commands, data manipulation, constant enforcement, and transaction management. It provides a fundamental overview of working with a relational database using SQL. That's it. Thank you.